What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabby. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to get the perfect thick bun using braiding hair, but we're not going to be braiding today. If you guys are interested in how I got this look, please continue watching. So let's get into it. You are going to need, for today's tutorial, you will need braiding hair. And this one is Rasta free. I got it on Amazon in the darkest color that matches my hair. You are gonna need hair ties. You will need styling gel. This one here is called Eco Style Professional styling gel. Possibly dry texture spray if you have thin hair, and also hairspray. This one is Tresemme Extra Firm Control, and of course I'm gonna be linking everything down below so you guys can find where to buy it or purchase. And also, if you have edges and you want to pull them out, a little edge brush like this. And yes, so first I'm going to let loose my hair. I am going to brush it out. I'm going to be taking one of the ponytails. In Spanish we call them ligas. Sometimes I mix up the Spanish word and the English word. I have to make sure I'm saying it in English. But yes, you're going to take a liga and you are going to pull your hair back into a ponytail. And also brush. So yeah, I decided I wanted to make this tutorial, guys, because if I were to do like a regular bun, it would not come out how you guys are gonna see. It would just be this like little tiny bun, not much volume to it. And I was like, you know what, there's probably other women that struggle with this too, especially when you have thin hair. Wish I had a thick hair, thick ass hair, but I don't. So, and it's short. So this tutorial is for with the same situation. So I want to make sure that the ponytail is nice and tight. Better angle. Nice and tight, no bumps. And these I leave them out because I'm gonna shape them. But if you don't have them, don't worry about it. And so now that my hair is up in a ponytail, I'm gonna take some gel and I'm gonna just put that all on my hair. And you could do this before you do the ponytail. It really just depends on your preference, how you like, just what's easier for you, you know. And I got some in the bottom as well. And also on my hair. And if you did your ponytail and you have some bumps and you just can't figure it out, you can always just use a pin and put it where the bump is and fix your problem real quick. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some more gel on my hair. And this is just to make sure that I don't have any like stray hairs, any flyaways, and it just makes it easier to style. Yeah, here's all that. Alright, so I'm done with my gel for now, but you're also gonna apply some gel onto the fake hair. So what I went ahead and did, you're gonna grab your hair and I cut it. I cut it because it would otherwise be too much for my hair. If it's not too much for your hair, then you can skip this step. But what I'm gonna take now is a rubber band, a hair tie, a liga, and I'm gonna put it over so it looks like this, and then I'm going to, one more time, I'm gonna secure it with a hair tie. So it looks like this, right? And now it's just much less hair than what it came with, and pretty much you're gonna see it already comes in a bundle like this, and it comes with a plastic hair tie, and I just cut it in half with scissors. It's a little hard, you need to get sharp scissors, but see, now it's not as long and not as thick. Now I'm just going to put this over my hair, right? And I'm gonna leave my hair on top. So I'm going around my hair tie that's on my head, and make sure that it's tight. This is what I have now, right? It's almost the length of my hair, but it's just thicker. And I'm going to apply some gel on the fake hair, combine it with the two. And now I'm gonna style it. So I'm gonna come around and make sure that it's nice and tight, and around again. See? Now I'm gonna secure it. I probably should have had a better hair tie, but this is what I have right now. So then at this point, you just kind of make sure that it's secure and it is in the shape that you want it. I am happy with this. And if you have anything popping out, like I said, just go and take a pin and you can put it in the middle of the bun, wherever you have that hair that's just not cooperating. Go ahead and put a bobby pin. Now I'm going to just play with these, I guess. long that I can't really put them on my face. So I'm gonna gel them back. I'm gonna just take this little brush. And then now I'm gonna take out some of my baby hairs. This is optional. If you don't have any or you just prefer not to, don't worry about this stuff. But I like to just take them out a little bit. Here, all over. Adjust this camera. And yeah, so this is the final look. As you can see, this is a very thick bun, and otherwise without the hair I wouldn't have had a bun like this. I love it. It's such a classy look. It's such a classy look to do. It, as you guys saw, it really wasn't that hard at all. The hardest part was probably cutting the hair, and that's it. And you have a thick bun. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please subscribe. You already know the deal. Give me a like and also leave the comments. You guys know, like, I always ask to leave comments. My page is new, but I would love to see you guys try this look. And I'm also on Instagram, so send me pictures, tag me, whatever. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.